Okay, this is how we do video. Sorry, photography. Okay, this camera is about 30 inches off the ground right now. Low shot, far away. You can see I'm at the halfway point, a little bit past the halfway point in the building. This is your best friend. You must keep this floor clean. Before the car comes in here, you need to clean its tires from wherever it's coming from. Wherever it's coming from first. Don't drive it down the showroom, dusty tires. Clean its pathway all the way to here so you're not tearing up the floor all the way here with dusty tires that are grinding on the floor. Here's your lights. Illuminating the side of the car. You can see the angle they're on. And there's another one on the other facing the other way. We're trying to keep it no shadows on the wall behind the car. As a matter of fact, a little bit of a glow. And you see the lights are basically shining at the car from a distance. These lights are what, 17 feet away or so from the car. They're not right up against the car. The lights that are on are these perimeter lights. Nothing is supposed to be on over top of it. Right now, I have this one on to take engine pictures. So you can see these over top of are off. There's only lights that are far away, like halfway to the building. So I'm gonna go over here and flip off this other light. And again, you can see where the cord is sitting, out of the frame, facing right over here. So on the light switches, this is a good point actually. For doing engine and trunk pictures, you want to have them all on, but these say yes, yes, and that one says no. So yes, yes, and no when you're doing outside beauty shots. There's a similar setup, and again, you can see the lights are off over the car now. Down on this column down here, there's a column down here, there's a box right there. Underneath there, same type of light switches. Again, here's your cord. Here's the center line of the aisleway. And here is the cord. Camera is halfway. You can see where it's sitting. Now, you don't do all your shots this far away, obviously, but for these killer low shots, this is the way to do it. If I could get this thing to not overwhelm. I don't know, I can't take a picture or video of the damn video. Let's see, can I do it pretty close? Nope, looks way overexposed. I give up. Let's see, no. So basically what I'm seeing in the viewfinder here is that exposure. A little bit brighter, probably 15% brighter, because when the camera gets turned into photos in the computer, what does it do? It actually gets darker. Don't ask me how or why, but that's what it does. And you can see how long that exposure is. You have to trust me that that looks killer. Right now, it's on 3. See that? 0.3. That button, 0.3. That's a little bit more than center. That's how you set up a camera photo shoot. Again, notice the lights that are right over the car, which are this row right there here, are off. Starting here, they're back on again. And you get the floor looks really black when you do that. You turn on lights right above it, then it illuminates the floor and you don't get this crazy shiny reflection underneath it. Anyways, that's how you take your pictures. Thanks for watching. Bye.